sweet. B is for ball, bouncing high. C is for cat, soft and furry. D is for dog, friendly and loyal. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming around. G is for giraffe, tall and graceful. H is for hat, to keep you warm. Learn the alphabet today, sing it in every way. Letters here from A to Z, a fun song for you and me. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jug, full of joy. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, in the wild. M is for monkey, swinging wild. N is for nose, to smell the flowers. O is for orange, juicy sweet. P is for penguin, in the snow. Learn the alphabet today, sing it in every way. Letters here from A to Z, a fun song for you and me. Q is for queen, ruling the land. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for tortoise, slow and steady. U is for umbrella, in the rain. V is for van, driving fast. W is for watermelon, refreshing treat. X is for xylophone, making music. Learn the alphabet today, sing it in every way. Letters here from A to Z, a fun song for you and me. Y is for yacht, sailing the sea. Z is for zebra with stripes so neat. Learn the alphabet today, sing it in every way. Letters here from A to Z, a fun song for you and me.